The walls of the surveillance state are closing in. Tyrannical governments and monopolistic corporations are putting everyone under a microscope, stealing our data and monitoring our every move. Our very right to privacy is being eroded as we speak. Our data is being bought and sold to the highest bidder. Our liberties are being siphoned by those who seek to enslave us. If this trend continues, it will be the end of privacy. Here at Seirion Cybernetics, we see the dire situation users are in, and we have the solution for this infringement upon our rights. Introducing Saturni VPN, the last line of defense. Saturni VPN will change the way you browse the web. Our VPN is a tool against tyranny. With Saturni VPN you have freedom through anonymity. Saturni VPN encrypts your data from hackers, tyrannical governments, and makes you untraceable as you freely surf the web. With Saturni VPN, you are silent, untraceable, and unstoppable. Governments will no longer spy on you. Corporations won't steal your data. With Saturni VPN you are protected in cyberspace. In this age of surveillance, Saturni VPN is a vital tool for defense against the ever-watchful eye of tyranny. Our privacy is under threat. We are slowly being chained by forces who wish to steal our liberty. It's time to fight back. We at Seirion Cybernetics will help you fight against the attempts to rob us of our freedom. Our VPN is the last line of defense against tyranny. Our liberty is at stake, so get Saturni VPN today and protect yourself from the coming world order.